Unsure if your emails or other communications are sending the right message? Consider these ways that AI could help you know you're being clear. First, we want to include some key components in our prompt. Tell it what you're doing. I'm writing an email. Tell it what the purpose of the message is. We're announcing something, updating people, whatever it is. Just make sure the overall point of the message is clear here. And then what you need it to do. I usually go with make sure the message is clear and concise, as well as ask for grammar feedback. Gemini tends to be pretty friendly and professional. If you know you want a specific tone, now's a good time to mention it. Then hold Shift and hit Enter to insert a new line and paste your draft in. Don't forget to enable Canvas mode. Now you've got a new draft to check out, make adjustments for your voice, etc. Some good next steps might be to give it feedback on how you like things phrased or word choices, ask it to evaluate the message's tone, or ask it to use a different tone. Maybe you want more fun, more professional, more authoritative, or more casual. When you're ready to send, use the Share button to copy the Canvas contents and paste them into your email draft.